In 2016, a 22-year-old named Michelle Hughes spent less than $500, opened up a Shopify store from her bedroom, and started selling makeup organizers she originally just made for herself. No investors, no ads, no business degree, just her phone and a Shopify storefront. She kept her full-time banking job the entire time and built the whole thing on the side. Within a few years, that $500 side project turned into a company doing $5 million a year in revenue. She has now partnered with Mac and Benefit. She's expanded into the US and is on track to hit 8 figures. Now, I'm telling you all of this to tell you what took Michelle years to figure out on her own. In 2026, there is a tool that can help you do it from day one. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own online store, even if you have never sold a single thing online. We're going to be using a platform called StoreClaw that will literally build and run it with you. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to walk you guys through the exact steps to actually start an online store. So from figuring out what to sell, to getting your store live, to making sure people actually find it and buy from it. And at every single step, I'm going to show you exactly how StoreClaw fits into it. Because this is a tool that's going to take what used to be a 6-month learning curve and compress it down to something you can start moving on this week. If you're brand new to this, do not worry. That is exactly who this video is for. Okay, so step 1, and this is where most people get stuck. It's actually figuring out what is going to sell. And I want to take the pressure off of this right now. You don't need to invent something brand new out of the blue. You don't need groundbreaking, never done before products. I want you to take a look back at what Michelle did. She didn't invent makeup organizers. She just noticed that the ones that were available were ugly, basic, and they didn't work the way that she needed them. So she created a better version of something that already existed. So here is how I would start thinking about it. What's a problem that you deal with in your own life? What's a product that you've bought before and thought, this could be better? Or what's something that people constantly are asking about or looking for on TikTok or Facebook groups? The best online stores almost always start from one simple product that solves a very real, relatable problem. And here's where StoreClaw comes in right out of the gate. Once you have even just an idea of what space that you want to be in, StoreClaw has built-in AI skills that are preloaded specifically for e-commerce. So you don't need to know how to write the right prompts or be some kind of AI expert. You can type in a simple prompt instructing the tool, and I'm going to give you all an example. So for me, I've recently been reading a lot of research on how important high quality sleep is for overall health, and it's something that I'm really serious about and I take very seriously in my own life. I love the subject, and since I've noticed a dramatic increase in my overall health, how good I feel, so this is a type of product that I would be interested in looking how to improve and sell some type of product around the science of sleep. So I asked the tool to find a gap on how I could sell and market this with higher profit margins. I want to highlight a few of the things that it did that I was really impressed with. First and foremost, I can see all of these sources that it's immediately searching on the web related to this type of product. So it's giving me the #1 recommended product as the amber/red light bulb, and it's branded as the circadian bulb, and the branding is very important. Then it's giving me the breakdown of the estimated wholesale cost, the suggested retail price, and the estimated huge gross margin of 75 to 80%. If we scroll here a little bit, you can see the demand, competition, margin, all pretty good. Something else I think it's really important is it's also showing me the net margin after all cost is 25%. The overall verdict is that it strongly recommends it, giving it an 87 out of 100 score. Then I asked it, will this need to screw into a lamp? The tool gave me the information on the type of base that it'll screw into. Then I asked it, how is this different than a red light bulb that I could just find at Walmart? The tool showed me exactly how it's different, talked about branding and the importance of ensuring the supplier can meet the specific wavelength that has been studied to properly induce melatonin. I know this to be true because I personally use red light bulbs with this wavelength at night in my bedroom. So I love these answers. They're accurate. I love them. So as you guys can see, I'm pretty happy with the result. I feel informed, I feel up to date, and can keep moving forward. Most people starting an e-commerce business do this manually and do it across 5 different platforms. With StoreClaw, it puts it all into one place. So during this first step, you can first use the tool to find or further identify the best product for you, something you're interested in, and something that you would want to sell. Lock that into place before moving forward because the product you sell will really determine everything else moving forward. Now, the next prompt that I told the tool was, okay, I really would like to move forward with this product. I specifically want the bulb that matches the science-backed research wavelength output. Find the right suppliers for me. Then I need to build out a Shopify storefront to sell this in. Can you help me with that? The first thing that the tool did was give me suppliers who can fill my orders using the specific science-backed research wavelength bulbs. It gave me direct links to the suppliers, how to reach them. It then started building out the whole Shopify storefront, which turned out amazing. Let's take a look at this. So my very first impression from somebody who has been into this subject recently and who has really been concentrating on this. So from a person who is the customer, I would immediately be drawn to this. Very inviting, piques my interest immediately. I love the dimmer lighting on the site. I absolutely love how it immediately gives this, wavelength breakdown of exactly why a person should aim to replace their bedroom bulbs with it. So excellent marketing. I love how it says engineered around your biology, and then also why standard bulbs sabotage your sleep. I just feel like it has excellent draw and pull for a customer base who is interested in this. I just think excellent marketing. I would 100% not change a thing except add my own products, which this tool can also do. But when you're ready, it also gives you the direct button here, how to click and connect your Shopify storefront by simply inputting your Shopify domain. I want to note that this can also be connected directly to an Amazon storefront as well if you're looking to sell on Amazon. If you want to use Shopify but you don't have a Shopify account, it's very easy to sign up for one. I'm going to place an affiliate link for Shopify in the description box down below. It'll get you access to your first 3 months for just $1. Once you open up that account, you can simply select your domain, input it here, and it will build out that Shopify and have it ready for you. Something else that I really want to emphasize here is that StoreClaw was specifically built for e-commerce. So this is not ChatGPT with a Shopify plugin. This is not a general AI tool trying to figure out what a product listing is. This platform was specifically designed from the ground up for people selling online. Now that difference really matters, especially whenever you're starting out and you don't know what you don't know yet. Now, after you've used the tool, chatted with it, had it build out your Shopify storefront, the next step is creating and optimizing your product listings. Because here's the truth, you could have the best product in the world, but if your listing isn't set up correctly, nobody is going to find it. Your title, your description, your keywords, your images, all of that matters. So the first thing we need to do is create our product listings. So I'm just going to tell the tool here to create my product listings. Then I'm also going to specify that it needs to be a Shopify storefront. It's then building out those listings, which is fully optimized already. And then I'm just going to tell it, now we need product photos. Can you create those? And look how it's creating the listing photos. Really great quality. The marketing with these photos is also excellent. So now we have these listing photos. We've got the SEO optimized listing titles, descriptions, tags. This would connect automatically to the Shopify storefront. The product would be in the individual store and it would all be optimized. I also want to note inside StoreClaw, there's a feature called Listing Inspector. What this does is it looks at your actual product listings, so the ones that are already on your store, and it audits them. So it can check your titles, your descriptions, your keyword usage, your images, everything. And it doesn't just tell you, your listing needs work. It tells you specifically what's wrong and specifically how to fix it. Also, keep in mind that StoreClaw is running 24/7. So it's auditing your store in the background continuously. So if something changes, let's say if a listing drops in performance or if a competitor shifts their strategy, you're going to know about it without having to check everything manually. Okay, now the next thing that I would suggest is knowing what your competition is doing. And I cannot stress this enough, because one of the biggest mistakes that new sellers make is launching a product and then never looking at what other people in their space are doing. You want to look at how they're positioning themselves, what's the cost of their items, what they're charging, what their strategy is. So let me go ahead and show you how you can use StoreClaw to help you. So inside StoreClaw, there's competitor price monitoring. So this tracks what others are selling in real time. So let's say that you're selling a product for $25. A competitor drops theirs to $19 overnight. So in StoreClaw, all we have to do is type in a prompt like show me competitor price monitoring for my specific product. I want to see what the top sellers are charging, any recent price changes in the last 30 days, and how their listings compare to mine, and positioning, keywords, and ranking. Highlight any competitors who dropped their prices recently. So then StoreClaw will immediately go to work, monitoring those other stores, checking out the pricing, giving you feedback on your own store and your own product and how to optimize it against your competitors. Moving into actually marketing your store and pushing your products out, I want to talk about how StoreClaw can help you actually do this. Now, remember back when Michelle grew her brand for 2 full years on nothing but organic social media content from her iPhone? That works, but it takes a lot of time, a lot of consistency, and a lot of trial and error figuring out what resonates with your audience. So for this, we're going to be using this tool. What I did was I asked it to create marketing material for me or create a plan for my marketing for this new brand. Look what it built out. It gave me a structured outline of social media posts, when to post them, how to begin with organic content to drive sales, what should be in my Instagram bio for the brand, proper hashtags to use. So a whole marketing plan. It can also generate the content for you to post across your marketing channels. So social media posts, email campaigns, SMS campaigns, ad copy, all using your actual store data. So it's not writing generic content, it's writing content based on your products, your brand, and your audience. The last part that I want to talk about that I find is very important is tracking your real profit. So not revenue, profit. So after product costs, platform fees, shipping, ad spend, what are you actually taking home? StoreClaw has built-in profit tracking that shows you your real profit margins. So after you have had your store up and running for a bit, you could tell it a prompt such as show me a profit breakdown for my product, include product costs, platform fees, shipping, and ad spend so that I can see my real profit margins after everything. And beyond profit tracking, StoreClaw also manages multiple platforms from one dashboard. So if you're selling on Shopify and you decide to expand into Amazon or Instagram, you're not juggling 3 different logins. It also gives you customer insight and analysis so you can see who's buying, how often they're coming back, and what's driving those purchases. So here's my honest take. The tools to start an online store do exist. What stops most people is the overwhelm that comes from starting a store. And StoreClaw puts everything under one roof and actually does the work for you. So that's the difference between launching and spending 3 months stuck in tutorial mode. Is it perfect? No, it's still being developed, but what's there right now is more useful than most of what I've seen, especially if you're starting from scratch. If you want to give the tool a try, I am going to have a direct link in the description box down below and the pinned comment. Go check it out. Even if all you do is connect your store and see what the audit finds, it's totally worth it. If you guys got any value from this video at all, hit the like button, and as always, thank you so much for all of your continuous support on this channel, and I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.